All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 BMW 430i hardtop convertible. It is the X-Drive model. It's beautiful blue with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, fog lights, navigation system, heated seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty damn good. Your hood looks okay. A little chippy right there. Another one there, another one there, another one there. All right, so this fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, 3, 6, 8, I'll say 10 or more to engulf it. Tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That's correct. That's 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I see some curbing. About 3 inches there. About 3 inches. Tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your rear seat, no holes, no tears or rips. Likewise, in your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears or rips. It is a powered seat with memory. You have power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Push start system does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system right there. You get your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC with heated seats. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues except for your tire pressure and your lights and your mileage of 24,378. Looks good. Keep it moving. Turn those fog lights. All right. All right, keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have a little chip there and another one next to it. That's what your trunk space looks like. Of course, with the hardtop in it, it's very nice. Does have a little power thing here that moves the trunk up and down. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. It's a rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, say 10 or more to engulf it all. And tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Looks good. Right here, we'll push. And here comes the lift. Boom. Very nice. Oh, look at the system. And of course the windows do automatically go up. Let's check out your trunk space and what that looks like. Very nice. Very big and spacious. There is a little bit of storage there and some over here. All right, back down, and when you put it back down, windows automatically go down. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty much completes the tour for up there. Of course, your door looks pretty darn good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. Thought I just saw a little dent. Got a little ding in here with some paint off. Less than an inch. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Just some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf that. Tire thread. Under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, a 2018 BMW 430i with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Go ahead and take that. Thank you and happy bidding.